Hello and welcome. In today's video, it's very simple and quick. Okay, we are making Mpotompoto, which is yam porridge. Okay, please stay with me and let's get started. I have here my ingredients, which is habanero pepper, green seasoning, some palm oil, some shrimp powder and all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using 2 tomatoes and onion. And of course, we have our yam and sweet potatoes. You can omit the sweet potatoes, okay? So we'll start off by peeling my yam and my sweet potatoes. And of course, I'm going to cut it into my preferred sizes, okay? Wash it thoroughly. Then we'll transfer it into my cooking pot. If you are new to this channel, I warmly welcome to you. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To my new and returning subscribers, you guys are so awesome. Thank you so much for the support and God bless you. Next, we'll then go ahead to add in my tomatoes, onion, habanero pepper, green seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and my shrimp powder. We'll transfer this to the fire, add in some salt, then we'll add in enough water to cover my yam and potatoes. So we'll go ahead to cover it and cook both the vegetables and the yam until they are nicely tender. Once our vegetables are nice and soft, we'll go ahead to remove them, transfer it into my blender, blend them until smooth, then we'll transfer it back into the yam. I will give it a nice stir, taste for season, then we'll adjust the season if needed. Okay guys, we'll cover and allow it to simmer nicely. So after 10 minutes, we'll use the back of my spoon to mash some parts of the yam. Next is to add in my smoked mackerel. You can use any protein of choice, okay? We'll give it a nice stir, then add in the rest of my season, which is shrimp powder and my all-purpose season. Give it a nice stir, simmer for about 10 minutes, then we'll add in my palm oil, okay? I will then finish up with some spinach. You can omit that. Mix all together and simmer for additional 5 minutes. Then our Mpotompoto will be ready. For me say no. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you're gonna try this recipe. Until next time, happy cooking guys. Bye.